Hi parents, guardians, and students. The following tutorial video will walk you through how to write an outstanding, persuasive writing paragraph. As previously mentioned in my review writing tutorial video, review writing and persuasive writing have many commonalities and differences. The major one being that in a persuasive writing text form piece, one is to pick just one side of an argument and support it, as opposed to having a mixed opinion in the body of a paragraph of likes, dislikes, reasons, and supporting examples. Overall, persuasive writing is a text form that attempts to convince someone as to why they should consider your strongly held opinion. We have co-created the following organizational structure in class for our persuasive paragraph writing unit. Within the topic sentence, one wants to immediately state their strongly held opinion. I've provided two useful sentence starters to get your thoughts going. Within the body of the paragraph, we want to state our focused opinion and try to include as many reasons with as many specific examples as possible to explain our thinking. Before closing off our paragraph, we want to anticipate and rebut our opponent's arguments and use their thoughts against them. Here's another sentence starter that can be quite handy. My opponent might say A, B, and C, but did they consider X, Y, and Z? Don't forget transition words. They really help to create flow within the body of your paragraph. At the very end, we want to sum up our overall opinion that was previously stated in a strong and supported manner. And we also want to invite the reader to join us in holding similar beliefs and perhaps include mention of where one can get more information that support the opinion that was just presented. Or you might want to provide them with a sense as to where they can sound off. Let's take a look at our co-created graphic organizer that's available for download on my website. There are success criteria checkboxes to remind you to indent the topic sentence of your paragraph 5 finger spaces, and to remind you to introduce the issue right away and state whether you strongly agree or disagree with it. Within the body of your paragraph, you want to state a reason. You want to support that reason with specific examples and proofs, and repeat that reason example process as many times as possible. Transition words will create flow, and of course you want to rebut your opponent's arguments after anticipating them. The closing sentence restates your strongly held belief, and you've suggested alternate information sources that bolster your beliefs and invite your reader to join in on your side of the argument. Don't forget to apply all 3 steps of our proofreading plan after every sentence. As is the case with any writing text form, planning is key. Within this portion of our persuasive paragraph writing graphic organizer, students are invited to check off whether they strongly agree or strongly disagree with a given topic. And using pictures and/or words, they are advised to brainstorm as many reasons and examples that support their stance on an issue before they consider their opponent's arguments and rebut them. The following strong work sample shows how significant planning carries over into a strong, persuasive paragraph. Within this planning portion of the graphic organizer, a student has stated that they strongly agree with an assigned topic. They support their strongly held opinion with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reason and example cycles, followed by the rebuttal of 3 opponents' arguments that they're anticipating. All of this planning coalesces into a nice, tight, sufficiently supported persuasive paragraph.